Precautions for refrigerator installation. To ensure optimal performance, safety, and reliability of the refrigerator, please choose the location for installing the refrigerator according to the following method. Use a separate grounded socket to confirm voltage stability. To avoid noise and vibration, please place the refrigerator on a solid and flat ground and level the support feet to ensure that the door is flush. If the refrigerator is found to be unstable after being placed in place, it is necessary to adjust the feet to stabilize the refrigerator. Gently push the refrigerator to confirm if the adjusted refrigerator is stable. The placed refrigerator should be tilted backwards as a whole, and it is recommended not to place it on carpets or areas with weak support from soft ceramic tiles or platforms. The refrigerator should have a certain amount of clearance space around it, with the following dimensions for the sides, back, and top. Sides greater than 100 millimeters. Back greater than 100 millimeters. Top greater than 300 millimeters. For built-in refrigerators, the surrounding clearance space is relatively small. Please refer to the user manual for specific enclosure details. Do not place the refrigerator next to heaters, ovens, water heaters, or large windows with ample sunlight. Thank you for watching.